Are you tired of coming home to a messy house? Do you always lose or misplace your things? Wait, I know! We need the sofa armrest tray hexagon from Tinamon. The packaging is eye-catching, sturdy, safe, and friendly for the environment, which means you can reuse it many times. And on top, it's a 100% solid acacia wood. Here we can see the top is sleek and sturdy, and the bottom is carefully lined with rubber to prevent accidental slipping. It's easy to install the product. You can rest assured about using Tinamon sofa armrest tray because it's suitable for various sofas in your home. You can rest and relax without having to move on to get what you need and not fear spilling your stuff on the floor or onto the sofa.
This knife sharpener kit includes a sharpener, leather strap, stand holder, and eraser. The diamond and stainless steel discs on the knife sharpener kit ensure that you achieve the perfect edge. This sharpens any steel blade regardless of the hardness or size. The magnetic angle guide offers 4 angles. This allows for customization for 15, 17, 20, and 22 degrees to suit different tools. This utilizes a smooth rolling motion, which is easy to use. This kit has everything you need for professional knife sharpening at home.